Your phone is powerful. It connects you to the world. Did you know it can also make you money? It's true. Forget the old 9-to-5 grind. You can earn money online using just your phone. No fancy equipment needed. Just you, your phone, and a little hustle. Let's explore the exciting possibilities. Companies value your opinion. They are eager to know what you think about their products and services. They pay for it through online surveys. This is a great way to earn some extra cash. Download a reputable survey app. Make sure to read reviews and choose one that is well rated. Sign up and create your profile. Answer questions honestly to get matched with the best surveys. Get paid for each completed survey. The more surveys you complete, the more money you can make. It's easy money for your time. Be consistent and dedicated. Check for new surveys daily. This ensures you don't miss out on any opportunities. Some apps offer higher paying surveys. Keep an eye out for these to maximize your earnings. Explore different options to maximize your earnings. Using multiple apps can increase your chances of finding high-paying surveys. Have unused items lying around? Maybe it's time to clear out that clutter and make some extra cash. Your phone can turn them into cash. With just a few taps, you can start selling. Online marketplaces are treasure troves for buyers. They are always on the lookout for great deals and unique finds. Download a popular selling app. Create a seller profile. It's quick and easy, and you'll be ready to list your items in no time. Take clear photos of your items. Write detailed descriptions. Set competitive prices. The better your listing, the faster it will sell. Once your item sells, package it securely. Make sure it's well protected to avoid any damage during shipping. Ship it to the buyer. It's that simple. You can drop it off at the post office or schedule a pickup. You declutter and earn money at the same time. It's a win-win situation. Start selling today and enjoy a tidier home and a fuller wallet. Section 4. The gig economy. Freelancing from your phone. In today's digital age, your smartphone is more than just a communication device. It's a powerful tool for freelancing. Are you skilled in writing, graphic design, or social media? These are just a few of the many talents you can monetize directly from your phone. The gig economy is booming. More and more people are turning to freelancing for flexibility and freedom. Offer your services online using your phone. From consulting to creative work, the possibilities are endless. Create profiles on freelance platforms. These platforms connect you with clients looking for your specific skills. Showcase your skills with a strong portfolio. Apply for relevant gigs. Deliver high-quality work. Build a strong reputation. Your phone makes it all possible. Get paid for your expertise, all from your phone. Watch your bank account grow as you successfully complete projects and satisfy clients. Section 5. Your phone, your financial freedom. Earning money online with your phone is within your reach. Embrace the opportunities. Explore different methods. Find what works best for you. Be consistent, be persistent, and watch your income grow. Take control of your financial future, one tap at a time.